Okay, this is about how Arpit is setting up the interviews. So whenever somebody applies, we get an email. Arpit and I get an email right now. And what Arpit does is that Arpit sends them an email asking them when they are available. And based on that, we talk with them. So let me show you an example. For example, no, this is a email that we already talked with. Let's go yesterday. There are a lot of pending email you see, but we only want to talk with people from India. So what Arpit does is that whoever comes here, Arpit writes this line. Thank you for applying. So give us your Gmail ID, give us your availability, attach your resume and send again. So this is what Arpit does for whoever applies. So this is like the first few lines. I'm going to forward you this. Once this is done, Arpit sends an interview invite on my calendar. So Arpit sends an interview invite and I can see it in my calendar so that I can plan things out. Like today I had an interview with Aman, two Amans and Ajay. And likewise Arpit keeps setting up my interview. Now in these interview setting, you have to invite the person there. You have to write his mobile number and you have to write the time. The time all automatically gets converted into my time so that I can call this. So you would be required to do the same stuff. I'm going to send you the email that Arpit sends, where Arpit asks for all these stuff, and you would have to set up more interviews for whatever email that we are getting, and I'm going to put your name on the other side as well. We are using mostly Indeed, but it's a paid account, so I'm careful of not giving it to you because you might Arpit did a mistake and it costed us money. So we need to email this guys, like this is the text. So whenever we have any text, we always copy it into a Google Drive and then we share it. Ideally, we should have a folder. So I should have a folder called QC Finance, which I have to share with everybody. In QC Finance, I should have a folder called HR, which I don't have, so I'm going to make one. In HR, I would have the first, unless something called uh, first email. I'm going to use right click and paste as values. And first email, and I am always going to share the folder with other people. So I'm going to share one level up, which is I'm going to go up A B C D E F G H R, and I'm going to share it with Arpit and you. So whenever you do anything, you have to put it in into a folder and share the folder with me, so that whatever is in here. So this is the first email, and the second email is about calendar invite, which we don't have. But after the email, they send us a talk for the summary, and then you have to set up round two. So, like for example, Arpit set up something and he writes like round two. This is round one. He did not write round two in some of them, but generally he does. In the heading, he says in the bracket round two. So I take two rounds, then we give it to Sajid and other people to talk about it. But that's how we are doing this interview. So slowly you have to start doing these things.